Hello friends, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. And today I'm with a simple topic which a lot of students who are planning for FRM Level 1 in the May 2023 exam, they constantly have in their mind that if I am today at the start of November planning to go for next year May 2023 exam, how much time should I dedicate on a daily basis to prepare for my exam? And this is more relevant for working professionals who might not get full-fledged time on a daily basis to prepare for the exam. So this is the strategy that you should follow. The strategy is called 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in the first month, that means from the 1st of November till end of November, okay, or whenever you're starting, primarily dedicate around 1 hour. Okay, that means around 30 hours in the first month. Why is this important? Because it helps to build consistency. It helps to build a habit of you sitting and preparing for the exam. So by doing this, you'll understand that what is the routine that you're going to be following, what is the time frame where you are going to sit every single day to prepare for the exam. Next, you from 1st of December onwards till the end of March, you should be dedicating 2 hours every single day. That's roughly around 4 months. So it should be around 240 to 250 hours of preparation. Now, what should you be doing in this 4 months? You should focus on reading and revising and solving, primarily understanding the content and also solving the question part of it. Okay, that is why it is going to take a lot of more time. So around 250 hours for the second part of your preparation. Then you need to dedicate from 1st of April till your exam date on an average 3 hours per single day. Okay, now when you are doing this, you might be from April onwards, you will do a lot of revision, a lot of solving of the mock papers, a lot of solving of your sectional tests, some quizzes that you have to enhance your way of preparing for the exam. Okay, so you can dedicate your time for preparation in this manner, which is 1, 2, 3, 1 hour for the first month, 2 hours for the next 4 months, and then 3 hours for 1.5 month. Okay, this will total dedicate to around 400 to 450 hours. If you ask anybody what is the normal time frame that is needed to prepare for the exam, anybody would say around 250 to 300 hours. So automatically you are dedicating more time by following this strategy. Okay, so when you follow the strategy, you will not be afraid that I have limited time or I have less time. The only challenge that you might face is the consistency to follow this approach till your exam date. Okay, so this is the time frame that ideally a lot of students should follow if they want to comfortably clear the exam in the next May 2023 for FRM Level 1. I hope you like this video. If you like, do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends who are preparing for the exam. Thank you.